From Turf-Tec International, the inventors of the first soil profile sampler, comes the new Mascaro Profile Sampler. This tool takes an undisturbed soil sample. Compared to a tubular soil sampler on the left, the Mascaro Profile Sampler produces a flat cross-section of soil and works in all soil types. Simply raise the soil sampler above the area to be tested, drive it into the soil, and use the foot plate to insert it to the desired depth. The cutter blade opens with the aid of a specially designed hinge. The Mascaro Profile Sampler takes a soil sample that is 7 inches deep by 3 inches wide by 1/2 inch thick. You can visually inspect for layers or different soil horizons. These layers will impede infiltration and root growth, and also be detrimental to turfgrass health. With the undisturbed soil profile, any problems with the soil will be evident, as well as being able to see black layer. You can also easily replace the soil sample from the area inspected with no damage to the turfgrass area. We also offer several models of the Mascaro Profile Sampler available at our website at www.turf-tec.com.